Welcome to the Stevenson University Library's Research Skills Tutorials. I'm your librarian guide, and today we'll explore the art of searching for sources. Let's embark on this informative journey. Our first stop is the Source Types Gallery. Imagine a room with different displays representing various source types. On one wall, we have primary, secondary, and tertiary sources. Primary sources are original materials like diaries, photographs, and research studies. Secondary sources are interpretations of primary sources, such as commentaries and review articles. Tertiary sources are summaries of secondary sources, like encyclopedias and textbooks. Notice how the same format, like a newspaper article, can be primary or secondary depending on when it was written relative to the event. Moving on, we reach the Scholarly, Trade, and Popular Publications section. Scholarly publications are peer-reviewed articles for experts written by researchers. Trade publications are articles for professionals written by field experts or staff writers. Popular publications are general audience articles written by journalists or freelancers. Each serves a different purpose and audience. But remember, not everything in a scholarly journal is necessarily a scholarly article. Now, let's enter our Search Strategy Lab. First, we'll visit the Keyword Station. Start by identifying the most important words in your research topic. Then brainstorm synonyms and related terms. You can even use our background research terminals to find more relevant keywords. Next, we have the Boolean operator arena. Here, you'll learn to use and, or, and not to refine your searches. And don't forget about our truncation and quotation marks tools to further enhance your search precision. As we near the end of our tutorial, we reach the perfect source synthesis center. Remember, you may not find one perfect source that covers every aspect of your topic. Instead, learn to combine information from multiple sources that cover different aspects of your research question. Finally, we arrive at the synthesis zone. Here, you'll learn to evaluate whether the information you found is relevant to your specific research question. If you don't have enough, you'll learn to synthesize multiple pieces of information. As we conclude our tutorial, remember that searching for sources is a skill that improves with practice. Our library staff is always here to assist you in refining your search strategies and finding the best sources for your research needs. For more information, watch the individual tutorials in our Search for Sources series. Thanks for watching. Contact the library if you'd like assistance. If you'd like to share feedback on this tutorial, you can do so at the link or QR code on your screen.